The today's topic is the BST and the fixed capital. Okay, so before going with fixed capital, we have learned about the capital structure. Now, what is the fixed capital first? See, the fixed capital means the capital which is required for a longer duration and for buying a plant and machinery. Okay, and this amount cannot be paid in a short time if they are demanded by those who have given, so that is not reversible without incurring heavy losses. Now, see, the fixed capital refers to investment in a long-term assets. Long-term asset means what? The plant and machinery, equipment, the technology, and this is for a longer duration period. Okay, this is not for a shorter period, and the finance through long-term source of capital, and this capital is not reversible without incurring heavy losses. अगर आपको ये वापस करना होता है तो हमें इसमें लॉसेस ज़्यादा यहाँ पे हो जाते हैं. Now here some of the factors which affects the fixed capital. So these are as under. See, the first factor is the nature of business. See, यहाँ पे देखना है कि किस तरह के बिजनेस आप यहाँ पे करते हो as a firm, whether manufacturing concerns or a trading concerns. If there is a manufacturing concern, so manufacturing concern means just like a factory. Okay, so the manufacturing concern require a huge amount of investment in fixed asset like plant and machinery, etc. But if the firm is doing a trading concerns, so it need a less fixed capital because they are not required to buy any plant and machinery. Now the second one is the scale of operation. The scale of operation means whether the fixed capital requirement on a small level or a large level. See, if there is a large scale organization, so if large scale organization, so that needs a more amount of fixed capital as compared to the small scale organization. अगर छोटी कंपनी है तो कम फिक्स कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, बट अगर लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बड़ी कंपनी है तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा फिक्स कैपिटल यूज होता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द टेक्नोलॉजी. यू कैन सी हियर. सी, इफ अ लार्ज स्केल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो बड़ी कंपनी होती है दे यूज अ मॉडर्न इंटेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजीज, बट जो छोटी कंपनी होती है वेयर एज अ स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे ऑलवेज यूजेस अ लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक. मतलब वो लेबर को रख के अपना काम यहाँ पे निकाल लेते हैं. सो जो छोटी कंपनी को कैश फ्लो मीन जो फिक्स कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट कम होती है एज कंपेयर टू दी बड़ी कंपनी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द ग्रोथ प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स. सी, इफ मोर प्लानिंग फॉर ग्रोथ नीड्स मोर कैपिटल. अगर कंपनी यहाँ पे बड़ा प्लान करती है फ्यूचर में तो उसे यहाँ पे ज़्यादा अमाउंट की फिक्स कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. ओके, सी नेक्स्ट वन इज द डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. If company goes for diversification, then more funds need to buy the plant and machine. देखो, see, the diversification means ये है कि कंपनी यहाँ पे चेंज हो रही है धीरे धीरे और अपने आप को थोड़ा न्यू मेथड में लेके यहाँ पे आ रही है, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में. सो फॉर दैट पर्पज कंपनी needs a more amount of fixed capital. Now the distribution channel. See, the who sells the product to the wholesalers and retailer requires less capital. अगर आप एक चैनल के थ्रू अगर यहाँ पे गुड्स बेचते हो, लाइक अभी आपने अगर होलसेलर से यहाँ पे लिया है तो आपको क्रेडिट यहाँ पे मिला होगा, आपको कम फाइनेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. अगर आप रिटेलर और इसके बाद अगर आप रिटेलर को यहाँ पे देते हो तो ये आपको कैश भी दे देता है और थोड़े बहुत फंड आपको बाद में मिलता है. ओके, बट अगर आप खुद ही अगर सब कुछ यहाँ पे करोगे तो आपको ज़्यादा फंड की रिक्वायरमेंट यहाँ पे होगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज द कोलैबोरेशन. कोलैबोरेशन मीन्स द मर्जर. इफ मर्ज, अगर हम अपने फर्म को दूसरी फर्म के साथ अगर यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, मर्ज कर लेते हैं, सो वी नीड अ लेस फिक्स कैपिटल. ओके, बट अगर हम अकेले अगर मार्केट में चलना चाहते हैं तो सो देयर विल बी अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ फिक्स कैपिटल विल बी रिक्वायर्ड बाय द फर्म. ओके, सो दिस इज द फिक्स कैपिटल एंड द फैक्टर्स. So let's see what is the working capital. See, the working capital means the capital which is required by the firm for maintaining their daily routine of the business, or we can say that for running the business, the type of capital needed, that is a working capital. So working capital has been bifurcated into two main parts, that is a gross working and a net working capital. So let's see first what is the working capital. See, the difference between current assets and current liabilities is called working capital. Okay, and working capital is divided into two main parts, that is gross working capital and net working capital. The aggregate of current assets is called gross working capital. On the other hand, the difference between current assets and current liability is called net working capital. Got it? So this is the meaning of working capital. Now, say, what are the factors affecting the requirements of working capital? So first one is the nature of business. See, in the last, just in the fixed capital, what we have completed, the nature of business here, the same thing. Whether, see, if the company is a manufacturing activities or doing a trading activities. If there is a manufacturing business, so manufacturing business takes a lot of time in converting the raw material into finished goods. Okay, so it takes a lot of time for this. So if more time is taken by the manufacturing sector, so there will be more working capital required. But if the firm is doing a trading business, so the trading business takes a less time, and there is a less time taken by the firm, and goods are sold immediately, not to be held by the firm, so there is a less amount of working capital needed by the firm. So in short, if we say about here about the nature of business, so if a manufacturing concern takes a long time and the more working capital required, trading business takes a less time and less working capital required. Okay, now the second one is the scale of operation. See, if there is a direct link between the working capital and the scale of operation. See, the more working capital required by the firm if there is a big organization, but if there is a small organization, then less amount of working capital needed by the firm. Okay, next is the business cycle. See, in the business cycle there is a two main period, first in the boom and second the depression. See, the working capital is affected by various stages of the business cycle. During boom period, more production and the more working capital needed by the firm. But if there is a depression period, so during a depression period, there is the production demanded. When the goods demanded by the consumer is less, so there is a less production and less working capital needed by the firm. Next one is the seasonal factors. Now let's see what is the seasonal factors. See, the goods having a uniform demand, like a continuous demand, their product and sales are continuous, and such enterprises need a very less amount of working capital because the firm is the turnover of the firm is going on continuously. But if there is only seasonal demand and same are produced almost the whole year, so that firm needs a large amount of working capital. So let's see properly. Next one is the production cycle. See, it means the conversion of raw material into finished goods. So this production cycle takes a lot of time, and if takes a lot of time, so require a more amount of working capital. Next one is the credit allowed. See, if the enterprises which sell goods on cash payment need very little working capital because their turnover is running. But those provide a credit facility, so need a more working capital. मतलब जिस फर्म को देखो, अगर हमारी फर्म किसी को कैश पेमेंट पे अगर गुड्स वहाँ पे देती है तो हमें ऑन द स्पॉट कैश मिल जाता है, तो हमें लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. बट अगर हम किसी को क्रेडिट दे देते हैं तो हमारे पास फंड अवेलेबल नहीं होगा, तो हमें लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. नाउ द रिवर्स इज द क्रेडिट अवेल्ड. सी, अगर हमने किसी से कोई रॉ मटेरियल बाई किया है, अगर हमें रॉ मटेरियल जो हमने इजीली जो बाई किया है और हमें क्रेडिट मिला हुआ है, तो हमें कम पैसे की रिक्वायरमेंट है. बट अगर हमें क्रेडिट नहीं मिला, अगर हमें कैश पे अगर पे करना है, तो हमें लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट यहाँ पे है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द ऑपरेटिंग एफिशिएंसी. इट मीन्स द एफिशिएंटली कंप्लीटिंग द वेरियस बिजनेस ऑपरेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, नंबर वन, द कन्वर्टिंग रॉ मटेरियल इनटू फिनिश्ड गुड्स, वेरी अर्लीस्ट. selling the finished goods very fast, quickly getting payments from the customers, and if better operating efficiency, so there will be less amount of investment in stock and data and less working capital will be needed by the firm. And if there is not in that way, so there will be vice versa, means the totally opposite. If there is not a better operating efficiency, so more investment in stock and data and more working capital needed by the firm. Okay, thank you. So this is very important chapters from your exam point of view. Please revise at home very much properly. Revise at home very much properly, and if in doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you and